welcome back to yet another episode of Portraits with Strangers. And we're on episode 4, and we have a shoot set up with Kate. We're going to be meeting up with Kate. She has a couple of companions with her, and I just had to step away from where all the music was. But yeah, we're going to make a right turn and double back to where I was earlier, and we're going to meet up with them. I'm getting tired of this thing drifting to one side or the other, but it is what it is. Let's go. And that's the end of the shoot, episode 4. We are 4 episodes in. A big thank you to Kate, who is our model for this shoot, our stranger for this shoot. So Kate was with her parents. You saw her at the end of the video. There were a few other people with us. Those were her parents and her aunt, actually. And you know, Kate has never had her photos taken, never had really like a photo shoot. And it's pretty normal here. It's not common for people to have portrait shoots, unlike other cultures or other countries. So this is something that they've never done before. And as you can see, like at the start, Kate wasn't really comfortable with the smiling or standing in front of the camera. She needed a bit of guidance, a lot of direction. But she warmed up to it, and you can see, as we went along, she started laughing and smiling and had a good time. And we got amazing photos. And that's really the goal. Well, not the goal, but it is one of the goals of these series, to show you that you don't really have to know anything or be someone that has something to do with modeling to get amazing portraits of yourself. You might just be a regular, everyday person, nothing to do with modeling, and you can get a photographer and you'd still have amazing photos. So yeah, that's it. That's one of the goals. I'll probably dive into why I started this series and all that in the future. But we'll leave it at that, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.